Today we learn birds name. Sparrow,
Sparrow,
pigeon,
pigeon,
crow,
crow,
parrot,
parrot,
cock,
cock,
duck,
duck,
crane,
crane,
stork,
stork,
manna,
myna,
peacock,
peacock,
cuckoo,
cuckoo,
nightingale,
nightingale,
woodpecker,
woodpecker,
swan,
swan,
hoopoe,
hoopoe,
kite,
kite,
eagle,
eagle,
vulture,
vulture,
ostrich,
ostrich,
owl,
owl,
quail,
quail,
kingfisher,
kingfisher,
dove,
dove,
hummingbird.
hummingbird.
Like, share and subscribe.